We gotta be careful not to get too political, because
But-
then we'll just fight about each other. But when terrorism, let's use the terrorism analogy, okay? When the terrorists hit the towers,
Yeah.
for about 4 months, we were united as a society.
Yeah.
It's
And-
gonna happen again pretty soon.
But,
So every once in a while, we get united by some crisis, and then we pull together. World War II was kind of like the last
Well,
one.
if we're lucky, the aliens are gonna reveal themselves, and that'll pull everybody together in a hell of a hurry.
I know.
It's gonna come pretty soon.
So if we could actually just kind of pull together without the crisis, maybe we can actually get something done. I don't see any reason to be despondent or resigned or cynical. I mean,
no.
what we've got right now is, everybody in this room is dying. You've all got a sexually transmitted disease that's uniformly fatal, called
Life.
human existence.
Yep.
So what are you gonna do, what are you gonna do between now and the time of death? I mean, that's the question. Are you gonna have a great life? Or are you gonna have are we gonna kind of go around in a stupor? And pain puts us in a stupor, some of the medicines put us in a stupor, and our rage puts us in a stupor. So we've gotta deal with all of those things. And forgive the idiots that were your neurologists, the first 8, or, realize that the orthopedist that wrote your pain medication after your surgery is thinking in a limited term and is afraid, or that the insurance company that you don't have is not there for you, and you're like out on a limb, and medical bankruptcies are there, and people, it's like mental illness. People with mental illnesses topple
Well, you
in
get
the
paid-
society. They fall to the bottom.
You get paid more if you're a mental case than if you're a physical case.
Ooh.
Is that why I'm making so much money? All right.
I just think you need to, I always found like even when I didn't have enough pain, I have one friend that I can talk to, that I can laugh about myself, I can laugh. And when we can sit here and laugh, I mean, that helps the pain a lot.
It does.
I just gotta get on a plane to Las Vegas and I don't gamble, and I'm down there for 3 days, and it's just like, if I'm around Pat, I'm having a great time, so it's good to laugh at yourself, and, because I laugh at myself, but, laugh.
Yeah.
And then,
Costs you
struggle through the
$9,000 a
pain,
day to go to a
Yep.
gambling.
but don't be afraid to laugh.
Yeah. Yeah. I go to Vegas. I love it. I used to hate it. I used to have some judgments about it.
But you should see me out on the sailboat, it's just heaven.
Yeah.